Hey, Randy from Portable Mirror Booth, and today we're going to talk about the PMB-700 Edge. And one of the things we want to showcase about this is that actually one person at an event can simply set this up and break it down by themselves. Even though it's rather bulky, it's rather light. And the way this works is you're simply going to roll the case out vertically as you've transported it, and then just gently lay it flat, making sure that the fatter part of the case is face up. So that means the glass in the case is face down. And then from there, what we can do is we unclip the 6 latches that keep the case closed. There's 3 on one side, so we'll unclip each one of those. And then on the other side, unclip those 3. And then from there, we can gently lift the top off of the case onto its edge, sliding it out of the way. If it's covered in plastic, it may be wrapped. We're just going to unwrap the plastic or cut it open. From there, we're just going to remove anything from the case that's in there, such as the bounce flash or any miscellaneous items. There'll be a remote control, some other pieces to the unit. And then from there, we're just going to unfold it. It unfolds just like a ladder. So we're going to lift up to one side. We're going to take out the bottom piece of it. Hinge it together, and now you can see it's shaped like a ladder lying flat. From here, I'm simply going to walk around to the front. I'm going to lift it from the front and lift it onto its base. As I flip it up and I get it steadied, I'm going to simply get behind it so I can now take control of it. I'm going to lift it onto its back wheels so that it's no longer touching the case, slide it out of the way, and now we're all set. We can get ready to turn it on and get it ready for an event.